Hi guys, today I will be teaching you how to cut men's hair at home. I will be cutting hair on my husband due to quarantine, and I know you guys are dying for this video, so I'll get along with it. First off, you need tools such as one clipper, comb, scissors, a spray bottle, and then some type of coverage, either a cape if you have it, a towel, a trash bag will even work if you cut a hole into the top and then put it over the shoulders. And those will be the tools that you will be needing today. So guys, if you do not have the tools that are needed for today, I will be adding links below of the products that I recommend for you guys. You can buy them on walmart.com or amazon.com, but I'll add those links below. And also in the comments, guys, give me some feedback and let me know what you think of this video and if you need me to adjust or change anything. Really appreciate the feedback. So guys, I just want to talk a little bit about the clippers. First, you should get an actual clipper that looks like this, and it's a 0 guard that's usually on it, so that's where you want to get your close to skin fades. Then it goes from 1 being the smallest. If you can see right here, that's a 1, they're usually labeled, and then this one is a 2, and then we have the number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or oh sorry, that's a 10. Some clippers will just go up to a 6, but basically to attach the top of the clipper guard, basically you're going to, there's a spring in the back you can see right here. Actually, let me turn it over so I can show you. You clip that in and then slide up the clipper guard and it should lock in place for you like that. The thing I want to talk to you guys about is the little slant you see here. That's what you want to place directly on this head when you're trying to direct it upwards, and I'll show you that in the video. I just want you to keep that flush against the head because that is what's going to cut if you keep moving it down. And you guys, if your clippers aren't labeled, what I like to do is go from shortest to longest, and the shortest being number 1, and then 2, 3, 4, and so on. And if you can mark it on a paper and just keep the clippers in place, it will really help out when you're cutting. Usually your clippers are labeled, but I just wanted to cover all bases. Also, I know some of you have already worked with clippers, but there are beginners, so I do apologize for the people that already know how to use clippers. But with further ado, let's get started, guys. Start by spraying down the hair. You want to get the hair pretty moisturized before you cut. It just helps with gliding the clippers through and keeping everything evenly. Just make sure the hair is pretty saturated all over. Your clipper guards, they are the attachments that come with your clippers. Make sure the guard is secure and the teeth are pointing up. I would start out with the largest number you have, anywhere from 10 to 5. Practice with that until you feel comfortable, and then when you feel comfortable, move down in numbers. This also helps so that you don't make mistakes, or if you do, you can go shorter. Start by cutting all the way up to this line right here. You want to stop at that line so that you get an even blend. You can use 1 number, or if you want to, you can increase the numbers as you go up. That's a little bit more complicated. So right now, I'm just letting you guys know, go in a straight vertical line up all the way till that line. And then when you get around the ears, you're going to want to curve it just a slight bit around the edges and fold down the ear just to make sure you don't cut whoever you're cutting their hair. And then you can move in an up and down motion if that's easier for you, or you can just do one solid strip. But like I said again, guys, start with a larger clipper head just so that way if you do make mistakes, you can go shorter. So basically, guys, you're just going to repeat this process all the way around both sides of the head. And if you feel you've missed a few spots, go ahead and repeat and go over them a few times if you need to. If not, just do it one motion all the way around. Make sure you're connected all the way. But I like to go back and double check just to make sure I didn't miss any spots. I like to keep wetting the hair throughout the process because it gets a little dry. But once you're done with the sides, then you could either do clippers at the top or scissor over comb. I'm going to be teaching you guys scissor over comb. But if you are using clippers, you basically want whatever you cut the sides on, you want to go up 3 sizes. So let's say if you did the sides at a 1, then go up to a 4. If you did a 2, go up to a 5. If you did a 3, go up to a 6, so on and so forth. Let's start out by wetting down the hair again and combing through. I'm basically pinching the fingers between my pointer finger and my middle finger, and I'm pulling up and cutting. So the higher you go, you want to basically cut about an inch. So your fingers are about a half an inch, maybe a little bit wider if you have bigger fingers. But basically you want to cut on top of your fingers. And the way my husband's hair is he likes to spike it a little bit longer to the front. So if you can see, I'm going in an angle and I'm making the front longer than the back. If you guys don't want to angle, it's not a problem. Just go straight across with the fingers. Just make it sure that it's angled to the head. And basically, guys, that's it. Just repeat this all the way around the top, and then I will show you a quick cleanup and we are all set. Guys, if you're looking at the back of the head, I do apologize. I didn't do this part on my husband. If you're using scissors, you want to cut in a straight line across the bottom of the hair and then angle it for the sides. For if you're going to use scissors. Also though, if you are using clippers, you're going to do the same thing, but make sure you press it on your arm just to see how the blade works so you don't cut your person. But basically you do the 0 blade and you just line up the sides, but I would test it on yourself because it is pretty sharp. And just put it on your arm like I said. Beginners, I do think that you guys should use the scissors. And that is how to cut men's hair at home. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me 2 thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos like this next week. So if you hit the bell button, it will send you a notification when I'm posting another video. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful. Stay at home, stay safe, and I hope everyone is healthy and happy. Have an amazing day, guys. Bye.